In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get backup photos from Google. We will walk through finding and downloading your backed up pictures step by step on Android and on a computer. On your Android phone, start by opening the Google Photos app. The icon looks like a colorful pinwheel. When it opens, you should see a main Photos tab with a grid of images and videos, usually sorted by date, with the most recent items near the top. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This is the small circle that might show your face, your initials, or a generic avatar. When you tap it, a menu slides down showing your name, email, and several options related to storage and settings. Now check that you are signed in to the correct Google account. Look closely at the email address under your name. If you have more than one account, this is where mistakes usually happen. If it is the wrong one, you can switch accounts from this same menu, and once you switch, the photos list will refresh to match that account. Once your account is correct, tap Photos to view your backed up photos. This takes you back to the main grid view. Give it a second if you have a lot of pictures. As you scroll, you are seeing everything backed up from that account, even if those images are not currently stored on your phone. To check whether backup is complete, look at the backup status at the top of that profile menu. It should say Backup Complete. If it says something like Waiting for Backup or Backup Paused, then some newer photos might not be online yet, but anything already backed up will still show in the grid. You can also access your backed up photos from a computer by opening Google Photos in a web browser. Sign in with the same Google account you checked on your phone. Once the page loads, you will recognize the same timeline of photos, and any change you make here, like deleting or restoring from trash, also shows up on your phone. Now let us download a backed up photo to your phone. Open Google Photos again so you see the grid. Then open the photo you want. Tap it once so it fills the screen, with a few icons along the bottom and top. From here, tap the More button that looks like 3 vertical dots in the corner. A small menu appears with several options related to that single photo, including details and sharing options. In that menu, tap Download. As soon as you tap it, Google Photos saves a copy to your device storage, and on many phones you will also see it appear in the default Gallery app. If the photo is already stored on your phone, the download option may not appear, because there is nothing new to save locally. If your photos are missing, check the backup settings. Go to Google Photos, tap your profile picture, then Photos Settings, then Backup. Make sure backup is turned on and that the backup account listed is the Google account where your photos were originally saved. Also check Collections, then Trash, if you accidentally deleted the photos. Backed up photos remain in trash for 60 days before permanent deletion, and you can restore them during that time. So now you know how to find, verify, and download your backup photos from Google on your phone and computer. If this helped you get your pictures back, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.